Hi guys, today for dinner I'm cooking this beautiful beef stew. So for the recipe I'm going to put oil in a large saucepan and heat up the oil, and then I'm going to brown the beef just to bring out some flavor. So I'm going to brown the beef until it's nice and golden brown. So this will take for about 4 to 5 minutes browning the beef. And then I am going to add some chicken seasoning, and the chicken seasoning has got a little bit of salt, so this will sort of bring some flavors into the meat. This is chicken seasoning, just a little bit of chicken seasoning, and then mix through the meat. While this is now nice and golden brown, I'm going to set the meat aside, and start making the sauce. And for the sauce I'm using 1 large onion. So I'm going to brown the onion until it's nice and fragrant. So this is for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. So just some diced garlic, and then I'm mixing through the onions and the garlic until it's nice and soft. One teaspoon of cumin. Now I'm going to add my spices. 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Two teaspoons of curry powder, cook until it's nice and fragrant. Make sure the spices are cooked and they're starting to smell good. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And cook the paste for about 2 to 3 minutes. So now I'm going to add 1 can of coconut cream. And then mix through. and yeah, and a little bit of water. And then I'm going to bring back the beef. Bring back the beef and mix through with the sauce. And then simmer for about 45 minutes. Cover with a lid and simmer for 45 minutes. This is how things are looking now. I've added potatoes, a bit of salt, cook for an extra 15 minutes so that the potatoes are nice and soft. Simmer on low heat. After 15 minutes, just keep mixing, and this is how things are looking. So in total, I've cooked my meat for about 1 hour. This beef curry is looking good. Please don't forget to subscribe or comment on my video. Thank you for your support. And now to garnish the meat, I'm going to add some parsley just to make it look good. Add some parsley. And you can serve this beef curry with potatoes. You can serve it with rice.